Just adding 1/3 cup of butter onto our 1 bag of marshmallows. And we are going to mix this all up until the marshmallows are nice and melted and mixed in with the butter. Yum, this is smelling so good. I love the smell of the butter and the marshmallows mixed together. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, that looks great. We're just gonna go ahead and turn that heat off right there. Grabbing ourselves this big Ruffle bag of chips that we smashed up, and we're gonna dump all those right into this marshmallow mixture we have. Yes, oh my goodness. This is what I'm talking about right here, you guys. We are making the ultimate sweet and salty treat. This is going to blow your mind. Oh, I cannot wait to eat this. So we'll just go in, mix up all of these chips in with the marshmallow so everything is fully coated. Okay, let's turn this off. All right, you guys, let's take all of those chips that we coated in marshmallow and butter and dump them right here into our buttered dish. I butter my pan. I'm not really sure what your favorite way is, but actually tell me. Can you tell me? Because this is what I do. I feel like this works pretty well, but I'm always open for other suggestions. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Oh yeah, baby. Seriously, best idea ever right here, I swear. All right, this is looking so good. I'm coming in with my potato smasher. This is what I use to like really solidify all my crispy treats that I make. But you know, I figured being potatoes and everything, right? It's only fitting to use the potato smasher.
I guess so.
Yeah, see? It goes. I just like to impact them all the way down. Some people like them really fluffy. I kind of like them nice and compacted together. Ooh, I'm so excited to try these. All right, we have one more great and final step. It is adding some melted chocolate right here onto the top of these crispy treats. Wow, this is gonna be so tasty. Ooh, I love it. Here, I'm gonna go up and down this direction here. All this chocolate, these Ghirardelli melty wafers are so delicious. Look, let's just get that all over the top. Oh my gosh, okay, that's good. I'll just spoon out the rest myself because we can't let that go to waste. We are just gonna let this easy and delicious treat sit until everything cools down and we're digging in. I wanna see how gooey it is and the great sweet and salty goodness. Oh, I am super stoked to try this. Ooh, I cannot wait to try these. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cut right here in the middle because I want this big piece of chocolate right there. Oh, these look so good.
Whoa.
Wow, look at that. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Ooh, the chocolate is even still a little melty. Look at how gooey goodness that is. Oh my gosh, yes, right here.
Try it. Lost for words, huh?
Seriously, there is absolutely no reason why anybody should not try this. There is no reason why you should not try this. We have these salty potato chips, and I think the Ruffles, I don't know what you would use, but like probably the Ridges are good. It gets all the marshmallow stuff in there. And then you have this chocolate on top. Have you ever had a chocolate covered potato chip? It's delicious. Have you ever had one of these? It's even better. We will be making this again. Yes, we will.
10 out of 10, huh?
10 out of 10. Nailed it. Right here. Yum.